We're about to unbox the brand new iPhone 15 Pros. We've got the Pro and the Pro Max. We've got the smaller iPhone 15 and the iPhone 15 Plus. So let's start with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Oh! We've got our new action button over here. I love the feel of it. It's kind of like this really nice matte finish. Let's open up the blue one. There's something about the way that the light catches it that it's almost sort of an ombre kind of finish. So here's the two iPhones next to each other. Look how pretty they are. This pink color is so pretty. Check it out. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped about it.